आतां ट्रेडिशनल म्हणल्यार पयलींच्यान आमी संजा इतली वर्सां जाल्या संजा कंटिन्यू आहात आमचो आनी हे वाडेकार सगळे वाडेकार मेळोन आमी संजा करता.
सांजोव एवरीवन आमकां स्पेशली म्हाका आतां 5-6 वर्सां जालीं हांव सद्दां सांजोवा ही बांयत आमी चालू करताय आनी मागीर कंटिन्यू आख्या वाड्यार भोंवताय. सो 24th येतात म्हणल्यार अशें करून जाता की सगळीं आमी रेडी जाता या मरे. The thing is that that excitement to celebrate because in Vasco or anybody here at least you see very few people celebrating it like this. So thank you.
It's my first Sanjao before and after marriage, and I appreciate and thank Gracious, my husband, for making me a part of this celebration. When we talk about celebration, it's not just a celebration, it's a tradition we follow of love, togetherness and peace and harmony, which is passed on by our ancestors to us. So yeah, a small reminder to all our youth to be safe, vigilant and celebrate their Sanjao to the fullest. Thank you.